So let's unbox the Apple World Travel Adapter Kit. So in this kit you'll be getting a North American and Japan plug, a China plug, a Korea plug, a Brazil plug, an Australia and New Zealand plug, a Continental Europe plug, and a UK, Hong Kong and Singapore plug. So just pull this pull tab on there, and we open it like this. So we'll take out this from the box by ripping that off there. And pulling it out. So inside the box we have the plugs and we have some documentation in this plastic bag here. So it's just documentation, warranty, and which plugs are used for which country. So first here is the UK, Hong Kong and Singapore plug. Let's just take the plastic off here. That's plug number one. Next we have the Australia and New Zealand plug. Now here is the, I think this is the Brazil or the Korean plug. It is the Korean plug right here. Take the wrapper off here. Next is indeed the Brazil plug. That was not a very satisfying peel. Next is the China plug. Now this looks a lot like the USA plug, but the main difference here is that in the USA plug you get holes here. Here is the USA plug. Take this wrapper off here. And there are the holes for plugging the adapter into the wall. Now lastly, we have the Continental Europe plug. So this will give you access to, I think, most of Europe, like France and Spain and other places apart from the UK, because the UK uses this plug right here. So it doesn't look like there's anything else in the box, just cardboard. So let's place that to the side and take a closer look at these plugs. So here is, again, the UK, Singapore and Hong Kong plug. This plugs into your adapter, which will plug into your accessories and your products, and these plug into the wall. Here is your Australia and New Zealand plug. Again, these plug into the wall, and this will plug into your power box. Here is the Korea plug. So again, these plug into the wall, and this looks nearly identical to the Brazil and Continental Europe plug. So you'll probably have to be careful when deciding on which plug to take, because I think the Brazil one has an extra line here. If you can see that there, there's an extra line there. And the Korean one does not. And the European one, the Continental Europe one, is longer prongs, so you shouldn't have to worry about that. Also, you might want to check on the China one and the North America one, because these ones look nearly identical. They both fold up into each other like that for good storage. So once again, the China ones is this one. They have no holes right there, and the USA one is this one, and they do have holes right there. Thank you guys for watching my unboxing and review of the Apple World Travel Adapter Kit with 7 different types of plugs. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and please like and subscribe and turn on notifications for future video updates. So after I shut off the camera, I actually realized that on the back of all of them, inside this little bit here, it actually says what country they are, so you wouldn't need to worry about kind of what plug is which, like with the Korea, Brazil and Europe ones, and with the China and USA ones, they all say it inside. I don't know if you can see that, but like right there it says USA, and right there it says China, or CHN and USA. Again, thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.